I ran at 5 a.m. every single day for a week and discovered something the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. Morning runs actually suppress your appetite for up to 6 hours afterward, which is why I accidentally started intermittent fasting without even trying. But that's not even the weirdest part. Day 1, for 45 a.m., I'm dragging myself out of bed feeling like absolute death. I get outside and it's pitch black and freezing. But within 10 minutes of running, my body temperature shot up so high that I had to take off my jacket in 30-degree weather. Turns out your body produces more heat during early morning exercise because it's working overtime to compensate for the cold and your naturally lower body temperature at dawn. I was literally a human furnace. Here's what nobody talks about though. Around the 15-minute mark, I had to stop and use the bathroom urgently, and this happened every single morning of the week. I looked this up, and apparently running at 5 a.m. activates something called the gastrocolic reflex way more intensely than running at any other time of day, because your digestive system is just waking up. So yeah, plan your route near a bathroom, or you'll learn this lesson the hard way like I did. Day 2, I noticed my morning coffee tasted completely different, like ridiculously better, and I wasn't even that desperate for it. Turns out when you run at 5 a.m., your body releases so much cortisol and adrenaline naturally that caffeine almost becomes redundant. I did some research and found that early morning exercise can spike your cortisol by up to 200%, which sounds bad, but it's actually the good kind that wakes you up and burns fat. Day 3 is when things got legitimately weird. I started having incredibly vivid dreams right before waking up. We're talking full-color, cinematic dreams that I could remember in detail. This happens because when you exercise early, you shift your REM cycles and spend more time in deep REM. Sleep right before dawn. Your brain is basically giving you a private movie screening every morning. But here's the part that actually shocked me. By day 4, I stopped getting hungry for breakfast at all. I'd finish my run, drink water, and wouldn't feel hunger until almost 11 a.m. I thought something was wrong with me until I discovered that morning cardio on an empty stomach floods your body with human growth hormone, HGH, which naturally suppresses hunger while simultaneously burning fat and building lean muscle. It's like a legal performance-enhancing drug your body makes for free. Day 5, my resting heart rate dropped by 8 beats per minute. In 5 days, my smartwatch thought there was a glitch, but its real. Early morning runs force your cardiovascular system to work in a state of semi-stress because your heart rate is naturally slower at dawn, so it adapts incredibly fast. Day 6, I discovered the real reason why successful people run at 5 a.m., and it has nothing to do with discipline. When you run that early, your brain produces something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is basically Miracle-Gro for your brain cells. Studies show BDNF levels are 400% higher during morning exercise compared to afternoon runs. This is why Steve Jobs and Richard Branson swore by dawn workouts. They weren't just exercising, they were literally upgrading their brain's hardware. Day 7, the wildest thing happened. I woke up at 4:55 without an alarm and felt genuinely excited to run. Not motivated, not disciplined, actually excited. Your body has this thing called anticipatory awakening, where after about 5 days of consistent early wake-ups, your brain starts preparing you to wake up by releasing wake-promoting hormones. 30 minutes before your alarm, you essentially hack your own circadian rhythm. So what actually happens that nobody tells you? Your body becomes a fat-burning machine that doesn't need breakfast. You accidentally biohack your brain chemistry to produce natural performance enhancers. Your dreams become vivid enough to remember, and you'll need to know where every public bathroom is on your route. The fitness industry sells you supplements and programs, but they don't tell you that waking up at 5 a.m. and running for 30 minutes does more for your hormones, metabolism, and brain function than any pill or program ever could. And it's completely free. Would I do this again? I'm literally doing it right now. My alarm is set for 5 a.m. tomorrow, not because I'm disciplined, But because once you feel what it's like to operate on this level, you can't go back to being average. Set your alarm. Your body already knows what to do.